Hey everyone, Abner's Reviews here, back with another unboxing, and these are our Dragon Ball Z Funko Pops of the day. This one is the legendary Super Saiyan Broly, number 623, and this is a 6-inch Funko Pop. This is also a 2019 Dragon Ball Z 30th Anime Anniversary Special Edition right there. And this one right here is the Gotenks Super Ghost Kamikaze Attack, number 634 right there. This is a regular size Funko Pop, but this one is a 2019 Summer Convention limited edition exclusive right there.
Perfect.
So this right here is our Super Saiyan Gotenks Kamikaze Ghost Attack. So this one is figure number 634. The Kamikaze Ghost Attack is one of the significant attacks that Gotenks uses to take advantage of his opponent. So Gotenks, or Super Saiyan Gotenks, is the result of a successful fusion dance between Goten and Trunks. Goten is the son, or the youngest son, of Goku, and Trunks is the firstborn of Super Saiyan Vegeta. So Gotenks, depending on his power level at the moment of battle, can deploy up to 10 or more of these Kamikaze Ghost attacks. This is really a sneaky and fun way to attack an opponent. But Gotenks is really a fun and happy but really powerful character in the Dragon Ball Z series. So in terms of the figure, as you can see, it comes with a stand right there, because it really is like a ghost figure. So it doesn't have any feet, as you can probably tell right there. So it's just like he's floating. He is in transparent light blue-green color right there, but the eyes are really blue. And this top part right here has some gray into it, so white to gray. So the color right there is fading up to just a really transparent mode in terms of the color right there. So that is our Gotenks Super Ghost Kamikaze Attack 2019 Summer Convention limited edition exclusive Funko Pop figure. So this is our 6-inch legendary Super Saiyan Broly figure right here. 2019 Dragon Ball Z 30th Anime Anniversary Edition exclusive. He is the son of Paragus. They were living in planet Vegeta with King Vegeta, Super Saiyan Vegeta, and Goku. They were all there in planet Vegeta. So there was a rumor that there's gonna be a legendary Super Saiyan phenomena, that one Super Saiyan kid will be born with the power of 10,000. So this one right here, the legendary Super Saiyan Broly, is that anomaly or phenomenon in terms of the Saiyan race. So King Vegeta ordered the execution of Paragus, the father of Broly right here, as well as Broly, because he thought Broly was a threat to the Super Saiyan race, because he would be able to eradicate all other Super Saiyans if he is indeed the legendary myth of the Super Saiyan race because of his power level. Even though he was just born, he was already on the level of Bardock and King Vegeta. So imagine that, it's just a baby, but he was already on that level. Bardock is the father of Goku. King Vegeta is the father of Super Saiyan Vegeta. So what happened was, King Vegeta killed Broly's father with an energy beam, and the baby Broly by that time was stabbed to the chest. But lo and behold, it was not enough to kill Broly. So when Frieza plotted to destroy planet Vegeta for the same reason that King Vegeta ordered the execution of Broly and his father, so that is the powerful myth and phenomena that destroyed the entire planet Vegeta as well. And that is what Frieza did. So because Super Saiyan Broly is really that powerful, even though he was just a baby by then, he ascends and shielded himself and his father Paragus to be able to survive even though planet Vegeta was destroyed completely by Frieza. So onto the figure right here, you see that this is a really well crafted figure, and you can see the green power energy surge right there. That is one of the significant color being used by Super Saiyan Broly, even in the movies or in the Dragon Ball Z series right there. Perfect. Green like power surge right there on the hair. Of course, Super Saiyan Broly always has that pronounced yellow hair right there. He's a proud Super Saiyan, a legendary one. That is the ring on his chest right there, which his father Paragus put on him right there in an attempt to, control Broly when he is getting out of control, because Broly tends to destroy planets just because he's mad or he's angry. Those earrings right here, if you would see that, that is also significant in terms of the appearance of the legendary Super Saiyan Broly, and as well as his white pants right there and the red robe that is wrapped around his waist. This is really the typical and standard look for the Super Saiyan Broly right there. Perfect. Now this is really a great piece for me because again, this is bigger in size than the regular Funko Pops right there. So these 6-inch Funko Pops tends to give out more details on the characters right there. So I really like 6-inch Funko Pops whenever they're available, especially on this line. And the eyes right there, the green eyes along with the green energy flowing around Broly's body right there is really spot on. So this is our legendary Super Saiyan Broly 2019 Dragon Ball Z 30th Anime Anniversary Special Edition exclusive figure number 623 right there. So there you go, guys. These are our Dragon Ball Z Funko Pops for today. So again, this is the legendary Super Saiyan Broly 2019 Dragon Ball Z 30th Anime Anniversary Special Edition 6-inch Funko Pop right here. And of course, we have the Gotenks Super Ghost Kamikaze Attack 2019 Summer Convention Limited Edition exclusive right here. So I hope you like our unboxing for both of our Dragon Ball Z Funko Pops for today. And if you have any favorites based on your Funko Pop collection, please share with us and comment it down below. And please do not forget to like and comment on our videos. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing to Abner's Reviews. Click the notification bell, select all, so you'll get notified when we upload another one of our Dragon Ball Z Funko Pop reviews right here, as well as our normal video uploads. Also follow us on our social media links right here. that's been it. This is Abner's Reviews, and I will catch you guys on the next one.
いい試合になりそうだな。